two countries. The Kenya Plant Health Inspectorate Service, Kephis, has already prepared phytosanitary requirements for exporters must adhere to for their products to be shipped to the new market. Cabinet Secretary for Industrialization, Trade and Enterprise Development, Betty Maina, signed a deal with the government of South Korea in July 2021 that would see Kenya export avocados to the Asian country. Kenya will also export pineapples, dried pepper and sim-sim. This will be in addition to coffee, copper paste, tobacco, apparel, clothing and accessory, cut flowers, broccoli and unripe bananas. Very well, still talking matters export, and earnings from textile and apparel accessories grew by 8 billion in the 9 months to September 2021. This is due to higher sales to the United States, the Netherlands, and according to data from the Kenya Export Promotion and Branding Agency, KEPROBA,